Children, in this video we are going to discuss the writing skills, and first we'll start with notice writing. A notice gives information. It is an announcement in writing of an event or an activity that is to take place, right? So here we have the question. You are the head boy of your school. Draft a notice in about 50 words for all the house captains and vice captains to attend the meeting with the principal and house in charges to discuss the allocation of duties for maintaining cleanliness in the school. Now this is for Math 1, where you have to make a box, okay, and you have to begin with the attractive heading, okay. Second is the main purpose of the meeting, the subheading. Then when is the meeting, the time, date, time, venue. When you write venue, you have to write both a smaller place where the meeting is to take place and the larger place where the meeting is taking place, right? So, and rest information is mentioned over here. All the house and vice captains must attend an important meeting with the principal and house in charges in order to discuss the allocation of duties for maintaining cleanliness in the campus, right? Now this is important. Please note that attendance is compulsory. Now children, this specimen, okay, this specimen is I find it really easy to write, so you should follow this. First you give the catchy heading in capital letters, then you give subheading. Okay, after giving a subheading, that should be in a running hand, then leave a line, then mention date, time, venue. This date, time, venue refers to the date, time, date of event, time of event, and venue where is it going to take place, right? So you're going to write date properly, 2nd September 2020. Then time has to be mentioned from when to when. Venue, you have to mention both the smaller place and the main place also. The school library, Christ the King Convent School, Sujanpur, right? Then all the house, then you give the information what the message is. All the house and vice captains must attend an important meeting with the principal and the house in charges in order to discuss the allocation of duties for maintaining cleanliness in the campus. Please note that attendance is compulsory. Now children, first you have to mention the purpose over here. You're mentioning the purpose of meeting. Okay, then you what is the name of the event, what is the event actually, the purpose, and the specific instruction at the bottom. When you end up, you should give a specific instruction, like please note that the attendance is compulsory. And children, you have to frame this notice in a box. This framing of box is compulsory, right? And you get 1 marks for it. For the if you don't keep your notice in the box, then you will lose 1 marks. Then when you write notice, remember what, when, where, why, who. These are to be answered. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 W's have to be answered in your notice writing. And you have to use formal language of minimum 50 words. Short sentences should be used. Okay, there should be no repetition. Don't repeat it again, the same things again and again. No introduction to be given, that I, so and so. There's no need to mention that. And your notice should be to the point with complete information. Clear? So these are the points you have to remember. There's another specimen given over here on the next page. So I instruct you to follow this pattern because this layout is much easier to follow. Okay? First you put first read the question. Your school is organizing inter-school dance competition. Write a notice for your school informing the students about the event. Okay. Now first you construct a box. Put on your dancing shoes. That's some interesting catchy heading should be given in capital letters, right? Then subheading should be in running hand. Inter-school dance competition. Now date, time, venue of event. These are the time, date, time, venue of the event which is to take place. That is 18th August 2020. Time is, and this has to be written in complete spelling. Okay. Time, mention the time. venue, mention both the places, a smaller place and the larger one, the bigger one also. Okay. All the students who wish to participate are to give their names to the dance teacher on or before. Now you have to give this time, you have to give some deadline up till when you have to submit your names. So that is, here the dance competition is on 18th. So just give 3-4 days before. So you can write 15th August 2020. Then this is specific instruction. For more details, contact the head prefects. Right? And you see the marks distribution for the main heading, like for this attractive heading, you get 1 marks. For subheading, you get 1 marks. For this date, time, you get half each. For smaller and the bigger place, you get half each. That means this is for 1 marks, and this is the whole for the full information is for 1 marks, right? And if in case you do not draw box, you'll get -1. So making a box is compulsory. In case your notice ends up half the way, so don't close the box. You take it, suppose you have started your notice this way and your page finishes. Then leave it open from this side, turn the page and start from the other side, and that page should have this kind of, because you are continuing from the previous page now, so this upper part should be open and complete with draw the line for the box. This is for email. Now children, you have many emails, notices and emails in the chapter, notices, emails and letter writing and all. So just practice such notices in your notebook. Write at least 5 notices in your notebook.